Hey guys, so today I have a mystery box to show you, and this one is called New Moon. So this one is by a little small business. She usually does piercings and tattoo, like laser removal and stuff, but she's just started doing some mystery boxes. So I've got one here to show you. These are a bi-monthly box and they are £25 plus postage. She also does a bit of a different version as well, where you can set a budget between £10 and £100 and give some kind of ideas of certain things that you like and you don't like, and she will make a kind of mystery box gift as well, which is super cool. If you want like a present for someone who's more alternative and you don't really know what to get them and stuff, then that would be a really cute gift. So like I said, this one is £25 and this is the bi-monthly one that she does. I haven't actually opened this yet and I've had this for months. Like, she sent this to me, I think it was before Halloween time. I've moved house with this box and everything and I've never opened it. So we are opening this together for the first time. So let's have a see. Okay, so she's called Steph. I'm not going to read that out, it was just a little card to me, but just a little thank you note, which is very sweet. So that is that. And then we have a little leaflet that says, thank you for supporting my small business. Follow New Moon on social media. So like I said, I will put all of those down below as well. Okay, so this looks so cute. I'm going to start with this little envelope that I have. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so this is just like a little teeny tiny kind of like wall hanging. It's got like a little metal hook up here and it's just a little black bat. I think he's made of wood. I'm gonna hang him somewhere around here. I actually have this little tree here. I might hang him on that tree. Very cute little bat. Then we have some stickers. So we have this one. Bat with leaves and stuff, and we have this one, which is a little pumpkin one. She did also say as well, if there was like a holiday coming up, so if it was like Valentine's, Christmas, Halloween, that kind of thing, that box would be a little themed around that. So there might be like one or two items that are that theme in it, but not all of them have a theme though. Okay, next we have this, which looks like a little candle. So this is After Dark Scents Runaway Vampire Scented Candle. Okay, so it comes in this little metal bucket, which is so cute. Oh, and it smells good too. I'm not really sure what that smell is, honestly, but it kind of smells a little bit like lemon and incense sticks, like just a little bit. So that is our cute little vampire-y candle that we've got. Then we have a glass, I think. Is this a glass? Yes, stemless wine glass. Oh, that's super pretty. Look how nice that is. So it's just a little matte black, and like these bats are see-through, like you can see through the bat part. Glass. Very sweet. I feel like that would look really nice with a candle in it as well. I'm not sure if it's like heat proof though, but that would look so pretty if a candle was like shining through those bats. So that is our little stemless wine glass. Then next we have these. I love these, they're so sweet. Talking board coaster set. I will definitely be using these if I can ever get them out of here. They are so cute. So that is the little holder that they come in. It is wood as well. It's like a little Ouija board holder. And then there's 4 wooden coasters. And they're like a little planchette. They say hello, goodbye. And they've got little like anti-scratch cork bits on the bottom as well. That is our little coaster set. Then we have a little keyring, a little ghosty. He is really cute. It says ghost hug. You may not feel it, but it's there. And he's holding a little pumpkin. then there is 2 items left. So we have some little fluffy socks in a coffin. It says spooky and snug fluffy socks. This box is really cute. Just little pink and black stripy socks. Little fuzzy socks. And then last but not least, I think maybe actually my favourite item in the box, I've not seen it yet but it looks so sweet, is this striped bat ceramic storage jar. Look how cool that looks. This is really heavy as well, by the way. Not sure what I'm going to do with this. I love it though. Look at that. Little stripy storage jar, and he's got a little bat on the top. It says it's food safe. I wonder what I could put in there. I could put like Chili's treats in that or something. I love that. So yeah, that was everything in our little mystery new moon box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the stemless wine glass with the little bats on it. We had the little ghost keyring. I don't think I'm going to be able to hold all of these things. We had the runaway vampire scented candle, the little stickers, the teeny tiny little wooden hanging bat, the talking board coaster set, the ceramic storage jar with the little bat on the top, and the little pink and black fuzzy socks as well. Let's see if I can do this. You ready? All of these things in the new moon box for £25. Like I said, I feel like that was a really cute box. I actually loved that. I love these little coasters. They are so sweet. And this jar, everything, the glass, I will use that as well. Even the little keyring is really sweet. So would 100% recommend from this box, honestly. You'll have to go and check her out. Like I said, I will put all of the information down below for her in case you want to go and see. And thank you so much to her for sending this as well. I do really apologise because I have had this for months and I've not unboxed it, so I appreciate you so much. And yeah, I loved this box. I thought it was really cute. So yeah, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.